In today's episode, I want to let you in on a spice that you've really been sleeping on. It's another day to trust me, you'll absolutely love this one. Let's prepare some cumin rice. As usual, you know I always bring you the easiest but the best recipes. So once my pot is nice and hot, I'll go in with some cooking oil, then I'll wait for that to become extremely hot. So in today's episode, you're going to be preparing some cumin rice, and this is such an easy recipe that you should definitely try. Once my oil is hot enough, I'll go in with about half a small spoon of my cumin seeds. While preparing this recipe, you should be mindful on the amount of cumin seeds that you're going to be adding, because when you add a lot of it, it can be overpowering. So I'm going to be using 1 glass of washed rice, and I'm going to be using about half a small spoon of my cumin seeds. So cumin is an amazing spice. It's earthy, warm, and slightly nutty, and it's mainly used in cuisines. It adds depth of flavor to dishes like cuisines, soups, stews, and many more. So in today's episode, you're going to be using it to flavor our rice. I'm going to let them toast for a couple of seconds, and once they are fragrant, I'll go in with my washed rice. In today's episode, I'm using the normal pishori rice from Where, ile tu ya kupima, that goes for about 200 shillings a kg. I started by washing 1 glass of the rice, and then I let it soak for about 10 minutes. As I always emphasize, always remember to measure your rice and your water. Also, measure your water using the same cup that you've used to measure your rice. I'll add my washed rice in the flavored oil, and I'm going to toast it for about a minute or so till all the grains of rice are well coated with the flavored oil. I'll also add in some salt, then I'll add in my water. In today's episode, I used 1 glass of rice, so I'm going to be using 2 glasses of cold water. I'm going to give it a quick stir, and once everything is well combined, I'll cover that and I'll see you once my rice is almost ready. At this point, I was checking if my rice is ready, and it was almost there, so I gave it a few more minutes. After a few more minutes, you can see that my rice is ready, and it wasn't mushy because we measured our rice and water. So this rice is very tasty, and I will highly recommend. Let me mention that I've never tried this with cumin powder. I always make it with cumin seeds. You can try this recipe and let me know how you find it. I'm going to be serving this with kunde or the red thoroko or cowpeas, and I have a recipe on the same coming up soon. Just a disclaimer, do not start eating this before your stew is ready, because this rice is very tasty and you can just finish it in one sitting without any stew. That's it for today's episode. I hope you enjoyed. I also hope you learned something new. Don't forget to like this video, share your thoughts down in the comment section, share this video with a friend, and also try this recipe and let me know how you find it. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.